Welcome back to Ingwa News. Residents and activists have raised concern over the alleged destruction of 35,000 square meter private forest in Pamurfa, citing tree cutting and recent fire incidents. At a meeting held at Salvador do Mundo Church, participants highlighted the area's ecological importance and urged authorities to take urgent steps to protect the region's biodiversity and water resources.
अरे सोड देना जिगरे बगर सोड देना
एक दो
पंचायत को फेंक दो
एक दो
पंचायत को फेंक दो
अरे बरी
We are not saying do not develop. Development is inevitable, but it can be done sustainably. That is my request. Do sustainable developing without absolutely damaging the wildlife, damaging the geography of the place, and keep the citizens and future generations safe.
And the reason why we came here is because we love the nature, but we also want to protect it. What we've seen with other cities like Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, Pune, etc., it's been destroyed over the last 20, 30, 40 years. And this is very, very disheartening to see because this is exactly going down the same route. Goa is becoming the next Bombay or Pune. There's absolutely no the nature is being destroyed. The same thing a lot of people must be knowing is happening in Bombay. 40,000 mangroves are being cut. The effects are going to be very, very devastating. And I just hope this doesn't go the same route. And my request to the authorities here is please don't let Goa become another Bombay or Pune or Bangalore. Please protect what you guys have.
Vehicle, and we see that now this is the third stage where they have put fire once again to the front. Now the reason why they are putting fire is this particular plot, survey number 29 of Revenue Village Salvador do Mundo, coming under the Panchayat area of Pamurfa, is a private forest notified land. So when it is a private forest notified land, there was a criteria which was followed to notify the land at private forest. I'll just go through the criteria. The first criteria is that area should be minimum of 5 hectares. Canopy density minimum 40%. Tree composition minimum 75% should be forestry. All this is there over here. Now you will ask me how after being denotified can they do some development here? I say yes, because the department tells us if they go to the Supreme Court and if the Supreme Court tells this is not a private forest, they get a green signal to do what they want. Now what is the criteria? If the criteria, one of the factors is canopy, another criteria is 70% forest land. If evidence of canopy and forest trees is destroyed by these people, then nothing survives to prove that it was a private land or whether it is that it is a private land, private forest land. So this is the trick that these developers are playing, and because there's hardly anyone who comes here now. So behind our backs they are doing this kind of destruction just so that they can eventually get some kind of advantage and relaxation for developing this area. They are putting fire to the forest, and this is just a beginning, and very soon they will see that they put fire to the people living here also. They don't have any humanity. For them everything is only money. So my contention is that we have to be united and come forward for our survival and for the survival of the coming generation.
नारी शक्ती म्हणटा ते नारी शक्तीचे भुरगे आहा पळय ते सगळे पॉल्युशनान मरतले. ते झाडां आसचिना काय आसचिना, सगळ्यांक कॅन्सर जातले. तुम्ही नारी शक्ती करा, नारी शक्तीच्या भुरग्यांक कॅन्सर जावन मरतले लोक. इतकेच सांगू शकता.
टाउन प्लॅनिंग बोर्डान डिसिजन घेयला आनी मिनिस्टरान अप्रूव केल्यान ऑर्डर पास केली तेणें सांगपाक की ते सर्वे नंबराचे हुंयचे नो डेव्हलपमेंट स्लोप्स आनी हुंयचे आहात ते विल बी फ्रोजन एज नो डेव्हलपमेंट झोन. आनी तेणें एक्सप्लेन केला कित्याक नो डेव्हलपमेंट झोन म्हूण अशें करून उतर टावन प्लॅनिंगान ना, दॅट इज अंडर CRZ. There are no development slopes. But I had wanted to protect no development slopes, orchard, all these kind of eco-sensitive zones from being changed. Then magi ek mulla, no development will be allowed in this except for settlement. But this is part 1. Muge letter ankit ashile and adjoining survey numbers, which are zoned as no development slopes, orchard lands, and those eco-sensitive areas. So ते हांव पासून परस्यू करतलो. सो ते एक पयलो भाग. आयज हें हांवें पळयलें तेन्ना हिंगा झाड मारली म्हण आनी JCB हाडलेलो आनी हो फेन्सूय कितें गायला तो हांव चॅक करतलो कितें करून ताका परमिशन दिलें. कित्याक मुगे हांव एक्सपर्ट न्ही म्हूण हांव आयलें तेन्ना रस्त्यार म्हाका दिसलें हें सगळें रानान केलें म्हणून. सो दीस लुक्स लायक अ फॉरेस्ट एरिया. सो फॉरेस्ट जाल्यार इट इज सेन्सिटीव आनी फॉरेस्टाक कितको परमिशन मेळटा हांव ना पळोवपा पडटलें. हांव सगळें चॅक करून मागीर आमी फुडें कितको वळपा तें पळयता. तिसरें झाड न्ही हांव इलेक्शना बोशनी पळयलो 2020 or 2020 म्हाका दिसता. बास्तोरा सावन येता आसतना उस्कोय जागबाई टेंपला सायडीन हांवें पळयलें व्हडलो उजो पेटलो म्हण. हांवें पासून फायर ब्रिगेडाक फोन केल्लो सांगपाक उज पेटला थिंगा आनी सामकें तांबडें दिसतालें. एक वोल्केनो बाय इज रप्टेड अशें करून दिसतालो. थंयचो म्हापशा सायडीनसून तें दिसतालें. सो तें लासून गेलें मे बी 2-3 years बिफोर माय इलेक्शन. तें लासोयलें मागीर 2 वर्सां उपरांत अप्लाय केलें फॉर परमिशन आनी फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंटान रिपोर्ट दिलें देर आर नो ट्रीज म्हणून. कित्याक झाड उलपण लासून काबार केलें. दीस वील बी द स्ट्रेटेजी हियर. हांवें तेन्ना चीफ कॉन्जर्वेटर फॉरेस्टा वचून मेळ्ळो. हांवें सांगलें अशें गेम चलता हिंगाच न्ही आमी फॉरेस्ट फायर्स तूं आयकताले तेन्ना जाग्यार गांवान जाताले आनी म्हाका सद्दां दुबाव आसतालो बिल्डर